Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more exciting ideas. We need some hairpins, some hairbands, glitter forming sheet golden and orange, and make the bows shape and draw at the back side of the forming sheet. Make sure all the bows are drawn at the back side of the forming sheet. Now cut it. We need a red ribbon. Now we make a bow. Now all the parts are attached with glue gun. Now we make a little red rose with the red ribbon. And attach it at the center of the bow. Cut the extra part of the ribbon. Now all the bows are ready and we attach hairpins and bands with the bows with the help of glue gun. Thanks for watching my video. Hopefully you like my ideas.